Wyred Insights Brand Unity: how to stay consistent and recognizable. Branding goes beyond slapping a logo on your products and calling it a day. It requires brand consistency over and above the physical aspects of branding, such as logo or website design. If you want to stand out in a crowded marketplace, your brand has to be memorable. You need to make sure that every piece of content you put out there is representative of who you are as an organization. Customer perceptions of your brand can be influenced by brand consistency, which makes sure your brand is easily recognized, fosters customer trust, helps customers feel connected to your business, and creates brand loyalty. When it comes to upholding brand coherence, predictability is a good thing. It's crucial to have a distinct and unified company voice and identity. Building a genuine and consistent brand for your business depends on knowing what your company's values are and living according to them. You can use a brand style guide or branding deck to define your brand and the principles that guide your business. Whether you're a small business or a Fortune 500 company, Wyred Insights can help you build brand unity and create a consistent image. We help companies like yours by providing custom-made content for any purpose. We'll even help with the graphic design if needed. At Wyred Insights, we take pride in our ability to create content that reflects the unique personality of each client's business, while still being appealing enough for them to retain their target audience. If you want to succeed in the business world, you need cohesive, recognizable branding, and Wyred Insights can help you do that. Visit our website today at www.wiredinsights.com or give us a call at 866-994-3123 to learn more about how Wyred can help you stand out from the rest.